Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south from Sandhill towards Bonny Gate, St. Mary Parish. Entering Bonny Gate. On the left is Bonny Gate pumping station. Just ahead is Bonny Gate Road. Going right will take you to Top Pen, Wellington, Dressikie, Union Hill and the other communities. We have made the left towards Preston Land, Boyne Park and other places. To the right is the Welcome to Bonny Gate road sign, as well as the road to the right will take you to Boyne Park, Preston Hill, Jackson, Sandside and other communities. On the right is Bonny Gate Health Centre. On the right is Bonny Gate Seventh-day Adventist Church.
Yes.
Entering Preston Land. On the left is Little Wayside Bethany Assembly Church. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.